How you doing, YouTube? Welcome to the House Money Investing channel. I'm just gonna post a little video, quick little update of some stuff I did today during the day. Some stock news, some stock picks that are new to my watch list, as well as just posting some of my gains and stuff like that. As you can see here in the public account, I'm up 18% in the last 6 months. And this is all going to be house money stocks. So basically it's free stocks. What I do is deploy money into the market, pull out my principal, leave my gains in the market. So all the brokerages I showed just be purely gains, $2,100 worth of gains over the course since June. And like I said, it'd be through several different brokerages, and then they accumulate and compound over time, just basically building my position risk free at this point. Then I posted a picture of NTLA here, and it's gained $32 over time, and that's $53 worth of house money stock in NTLA. Then it's my Cash App account. It's currently sitting at $16.59, 15% gains over the past year. And like I said, once again, this is all house money, free stocks, just riding. This is Tesla I bought a while back. This actually technically isn't house money. This is like a long-term play I did a long time ago, just a small little fraction of a share. But as you can see, it doesn't take much money, to compound over time and build up your positions. If you do it several times over, the course of time, you can actually, accumulate some gains. So I purchased $14 worth of Tesla, and it's gained $82.44 off of just $14, and now that's worth $96.44. This, I'll never sell it, I'll never touch it, I'll just let it keep going up and up. I might add to it sooner or later. It just depends on how much Tesla I have in my other brokerages. This here will be my stash account. I'm up $315.42, up 6%. The top holding I have in that brokerage is Blue Chips, which consists of course, Blue Chip stocks. It's up 47%. It's worth $47.22, and that one actually isn't a house money stock either. That's actually a long-term play. I bought a long time ago, just a small little fraction of Blue Chips, and just letting it compound over time. And this will be the Blue Chips itself. So obviously I deposited $32. I bought $32 worth of Blue Chips, and it's made $15.22, so it's up 47.56%, which is a nice return. This here is actually a stock I purchased in my Ameritrade, CICC. It's a new SPAC. I like it pretty much. What I did on this one was I purchased a small amount of it, and I'm letting it build up, and once probably toward anytime this month, I'm going to withdraw my principal out of this one, and whatever I've made in gains, I'm going to transfer it into a brokerage that I can purchase fractional shares in, because you cannot purchase fractional shares in Ameritrade. So like I said, I'm just going to let this one build up a little bit more, take out my principal, leave just gains only into the market, and that'll be house money, just riding, just compounding over time. This is about the same thing, PLTR. Nice new SPAC as well. Did great today. Actually did like a $44 million contract. So that was nice. I purchased, I guess it was like $18.60 worth, which was a whole share. It's up $7.62 or 40.85%. So on this one, say if I was doing a house money trade on this one as of right now, I would withdraw my 1866, so that would leave me with 762 in PLTR. So the 762 would just stay in the market, and I would take my principal, and that 7062 I could just let sit there for as long as I want. Don't have to worry about it, and it's just going to compound over time. And of course, every 2-3 months I'll be adding to it, because I'll be purchasing more shares, kind of swing trading it the same way. It's a little bit of stock news. Wendy's, they're giving away a PS5. And then I posted Switchback Energy. It was up 13% at the time that I posted this. And I own some SBE in several brokerages, so of course I like to see those type of gains. Then I posted just a little bit of stock news at the moment that I screenshotted these, and these are some of my positions that I have on my watch list. I actually own all these shares in several different brokerages. Lordstown, Lemonade, PLTR, of course you just saw, JMIA, Neo. Hertz I don't actually own. I actually did own Hertz when it went bankrupt, and I actually made a couple $100 off that play that I had, because I actually held it through the bankruptcy. And if you remember, it kind of skyrocketed up, and then it just dropped off the map. And just due to perfect timing and luck, I cashed it out right on time. These are some more follows, and also shares that I own in different brokerages: Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and Tesla. Neo, American Airlines. These are just some stocks I follow, and I post them, just to show that I am into high quality stocks. Then we got Kodak, which I actually took a loss on trying to swing trade. NNDM, I do not believe I have a position in it yet. I'm kind of waiting on that to see what's going to happen. Virgin Galactic, I have several different positions on Virgin Galactic in several different brokerages, and I believe that's going to skyrocket one day. It's already up a bunch. So BNTX, I actually don't have it on my watch list here, but I did add it. And I posted something about this stock earlier, which I've swing traded this before. I believe ARK Invest is where I first heard about it. I posted MP Materials. They have a contract with the U.S. government. They mine rare earth materials, and they're used for like electric batteries and some other stuff. So I added this one to my watch list, and I will be getting into this play here in January of 2021. Also, Group 1 Automotive, GPI. I was looking at the technicals. It looks like once it breaks 126, it should run all the way up to 136. It also pays a nice 30-cent dividend every quarter, and this one I'll be getting into as well. I'll be getting into it around January if it's broken at 126. If it's already ran, I'm not going to chase it, so we'll just see how it goes. Then AutoZone, technical reveals a run up once it breaks $1,200. I believe it should hit $1,250, and I'm also expecting some kind of stock split from AutoZone this year. So this is a play I'll be swing trading in my house money account as well, which I don't believe I own any shares of AutoZone at the moment. GLW is going to be a new play with me. I believe the momentum should push to $40. Also, it's a good dividend payer, so I'll try to jump into this one as well next month. Of course, depending on what's going on with it. Then I just posted a little update about Shaq SPAC, which I've heard about a few days ago, but I'm very interested in it, and we'll see what happens with that. Then Lemonade, I own Lemonade. Some of my other brokerages, I'm gonna swing trade it some more. I actually have a friend that made a nice option play on Lemonade. He made it like three or $5 somewhere around there. It was a nice play, but I believe if it dips to 73, 75, I'm gonna jump on it, and I believe I can ride that wave back up. Just looking at the technicals. And the BILI, it was in a channel for a while. It just broke that channel, so I'm looking for that to make some nice gains too. And some of these plays I just post for other people that are in my Facebook friends and stuff like that actually look at the stocks I post, to kind of give them some advice, or just let them know what I see. They can do their own diligence and research just as you guys can too, and just look at it. WPM, looks like it was at early stages of a Head and Shoulders on the weekly, so sorry about that. So I was just making people aware of that play there. It might be something I'm getting into in January as well. And then here is Spotify. This is out of my Webull account. I'm up $76.53. I bought one share at $2.61. Now they're at $3.37. Bought this back on November the 20th. And this is a swing term play for my house money account. So for this one, what I'll do is withdraw the $2.61 out of the Webull account. The $76.53, I'll actually take that and buy Spotify on another brokerage, and that'll be a house money play, and basically free stock there to add to my house money portfolio. Of course, I'll be buying it at a higher stock price. Like, I'll probably be buying it in the 330s instead of the 260s. But I mean, once it's free stock or a house money play, I really don't care about the I do care, but not as much, not to stop me from doing it, from buying the the stock at a higher share price, because like I said, it's free money, and I believe in Spotify, and I believe it's going to go up even higher than that, so I'm really not worried about it. But that's a nice little gain there. And then I posted my stash again. My dollar change amount went up. I believe it was like $3.15. Now it's at $3.19, up 6.6%. Then I posted my Cash App again. It went up a little bit more. This is around 1 o'clock. It was up to $5.18, or 16% on the year. Then I posted Tesla again. It went up to a total of $99. And Tesla ran up today. It was pretty awesome. Then I posted my Public again. It went up to $3.38, 18.82%. And my balance is $2,100. As you can see, I've got $1,800 in stocks. I got a little cash balance and buying power, and that's all principal that I'm going to take out of the account, for the house money plays that I did last month. Then I purchased CII again. Not purchased, but I just played it again. It went up even more. So I just posted, what I do is at the pre-market, open of the market, I'll post my gains on the day. Then I'll try to do them halfway throughout the day, and then I'll do them, after the market closes or whatever. And the PLTR is now up $8.87, and this is a house money play as well, which all three of those are, except for Tesla. And like I said, I'll take the principal out, leave the gains in the market. And this was the contract I was talking about, $44.4 million. Nice contract, which probably is the main factor why the stock was booming. And then I posted the gains for today. It was up 15% around 1 o'clock today. And then I just, posted some more updates on the stocks and stuff like that I follow. Newly added from last time was just GE. It was up today. And then I was looking at DEX. Had a U-shaped pattern. It broke out. So to me, from the technicals, it looks like it's going to run at 300. So hopefully that's a play. Me or somebody I know can jump on that and make some nice profit. That's just LeBron, some Floyd Mayweather, and Conor McGregor, Paul stuff. Okay, and then BNTX. Like I said earlier, this is the one I was talking about that I added to my watch list. I already own shares of it. I swing traded it a while back. It's a bio company, and they teamed up with Pfizer. Misspelled that. And they're distributing the CV vaccine, and it's already being distributed in Great Britain. Them and Moderna and J&J should all be distributing that, which they should make profits from that. Then looking at QSR, Bill Ackman actually put this under the umbrella of this Restaurant Brands International, which was Burger King. They also do Popeyes and Tim Hortons. It looked like a reverse merger was done by him a while back. So, once I seen that, I just kind of added to my watch list. It's just a stock to watch. And then Autodesk, it was consolidating at all-time highs. There was a mini ascending triangle, and I believe this should break out Tuesday or Wednesday. So that's a play that I might be getting into as well. Then BAX, it's the nice medical play. and I believe the price target to be 95 to 105 on this one. So I'm going to jump in this one as well and ride that up. And I'll be posting, daily, broad progress on these predictions and stuff like that. DAR is actually in Irving, Texas. I'm from Texas myself, and they recycle waste, restaurant waste, and they turn them into useful products. And this one, I think the price target's right around $67. So I might get in that one and ride it up as well. Then Chewy broke resistance at 75. I believe it did that yesterday. I thought it was going to run up to $80 today, but it's going to be in the 80s soon, and that's my prediction on that. So hopefully I can get in there and ride that up as well. And then Nintendo actually broke a wedge at 70. It was a big resistance for Nintendo. It kind of consolidated there for a minute, but I see this one heading to $75 since it actually did break that resistance. Then I posted my Spotify again. I was up $80 at this point, which is a nice profit. So again, I'll take out the $261 I put in the market. The $80 I'll leave it in the market. Then here you see my stash went from $315 to $318. Now it's at $322 on the day. Same thing with the Cash App. Now it's at $523, up 16%. Tesla is now at $100. See, this is off $14. $14 turns into $100. Nice gain. I seen a guy earlier say, this is impossible to do some stuff like this. He was saying you can't take $100 and turn it into $1,000. I'm like, it's so easy to do if you know what you're doing. Then I posted my public again. Gains up to 341 or 18% over the last 6 months. 1 year, all time are all the same because I started this in this challenge in June. So then I posted CIIC again. Now the share is up to $35. They went from 30 to 31 to 35, so this ran up nicely today. As you can kind of see in the background, I have some more. You can kind of see some more of my plays in my account there. I got PLR, Lowe's, VA from Vanguard, and then PLTR ran up to $28. Now it's up $10, so I got $10 of house money sitting right there. Then I posted EA from my Fidelity account, and this stock is up to $130. Let's see if I can see what I bought it at. I'm not too sure. Well, it's up $11.62, so I bought it around $119 or so. So it's $11.62 worth of house money for EA as well. Then this one had a gorgeous chart. It's holding the weekly support. So this is one I'll probably jump into as well. I'll see it going up. I don't do any option tradings. I just look at technicals, and then I'll jump in them for the long term or the swing. And that was it for the day.